good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, please stand for our opening prayer. Okay, before you sit, please pick up some pieces of paper under your chair and then arrange your chair. Okay, you know, settle down. You know. Once again, good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you today?
We are all fine.
I know who is absent for you this afternoon.
None, sir.
Okay, now, but before we proceed to our discussion, let us know first our classroom rules that we need to follow this afternoon. Okay, everybody please read.
Classroom rules. Respect. Raise your hand. Engage actively. Speak kindly. Hold things in order. Enter and exit quietly. Cooperate. Take responsibility.
Okay. Now, our classroom rules are clear, class?
Yes, sir.
And also, we have a behavioral chart and scoreboard. And if you are going to participate in our discussion, we will see for your behavioral chart will go to the next level. And now, class, you want a game?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, and this game called. Okay, everybody, please read.
Consumer detectives.
Okay. Now, class, do you know how to play this game?
No, sir.
Okay. Now let's know the direction. Okay, everybody, please read the direction.
You will act as detectives in a minimarket that I set up. Look closely at the items. Some products might have problems, like no price tag, expired date, damaged packaging, or missing labels. Each group will purchase product responsibly.
Okay. Now we have a mini market. Now you are going to find a product that what you want, and I will give you 2 minutes to find a product that what you want. Okay, everybody. Okay, everybody. Your time is start. Okay. Now you must down. Now, plus, what are the products have you found? Arsenal?
I have found many grocery stores such as avocado, canned corn, onions, fish, cans of tomato sauce and tomato and also meat.
Okay, very good. Give 3 claps for Jamaica. Now, plus, do you think the product you have found is don't have damage or the expire of they have expired date? Okay, Timmy.
I think sir no.
Okay, very good. Now, class, okay, give 3 claps for Timmy. Now, class, what do you think it is important to know the product and also to know the quality of the product if the products don't have a manufacture problem. What do you think? Okay, Arsenal.
It's important to check the product first in order not to consume expired products and also to keep your healthy nutrition.
Okay, very good. Give 3 claps for Jamaica. Now, last question. Now class, if the product you have already buy, if the product you have already you buy have a problem or the product you have buy is expired, what are you going to do? Okay. Okay, Delini?
So I will bring the product back to the grocery. Then I will ask the tindera, this product is expired.
Okay, very good. Okay, give 3 claps for Delini. Okay, that's why our topic this afternoon is okay, everybody please read.
Consumer rights.
Okay, everybody please read.
Consumer rights.
Okay, now class, do you know that it's rights of consumer rights?
No, sir.
Okay, but before that, let us know for our objective that we need to attend this lesson. Okay, everybody please read.
Objectives. Given the materials and activities, grade 1 pupils are expected to do the following with at least 75% level of accuracy. Identify the basic rights of the consumer. Explain the importance of knowing one's rights as a consumer and demonstrate responsible behavior when purchasing products.
Okay, in order to attend this objective, I need your cooperation in this class. Okay. Now class, let us know the first right of consumer right. Okay. Right to basic needs. Okay, everybody please read.
Our right to buy things we need from food, clothes, and shelter.
Okay, anyone have an idea about this? Arsenal?
When you say well basic needs, of course, as a consumer, we need basic needs such as food that we should consume every day, and also the clothes that we need to wear.
Okay, very good. Give 3 claps for Jamaica. Okay, so we have rights like basic needs. So we have right to buy what we want or what we like. So now let's see kind rights. Rights to safety. Okay, everybody please read.
It is our right to be safe when we use or eat a product. We have the right to complain if the product has some uncertainties.
Okay, anyone who have an idea about this? Fini?
I think for me, sir, we have right to choose the product that, like for example, the food. We have right to choose, then to see the expirations if it is good or not. Then if it is not good, then you ask the owner of that store in order for you to have safe or to have in order for you to be safe.
Okay, very good. Give 3 claps for Fini. So we have right to know the safety of the product. Like say for example, when you are going to eat, so you are safe. Now next, we have right to information. Okay, information. Okay, everybody please read.
It is our right to know what's inside the product and how to use it.
Now, who has an idea about it?
So for me, sir, it is right to know if the product inside if the product is the If the product is uh, if the product is safe to use, then we can also it gives ourselves a good condition if the product is very safety.
Okay, very good. Give 3 up for me. Okay, right to information. So, let's say for example, we say that if you are going to buy a phone, so you have to right to know how to use the phone or like say for example, canned goods or like say for example, ready to eat food. So it's your right to know how to cook this food. Okay. Do you understand, class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us know the next right. Right to choose. Okay, everybody please read.
It is our right to freely pick the product that we want from different brands.
Okay, anyone have an idea about this one? Arsenal?
So when I say right to choose, it is our right to choose whatever we want. So no one can stop us from doing that because that is our right.
Okay, very good. Give 3 class for Jamaica. Okay, we have the right to choose. Like say for example, if you need a clothes so you can buy a clothes and also you need a foods, you can buy also a foods. And now let's go to the next slide. Right to speak for or observes. Okay, everybody first read.
Right to speak for ourselves. If we have complaints and say something, if we are not happy of what we bought, we can call their customer service.
Okay, who was an idea about this?
So for me, sir, we have a right to speak for ourselves. Like for example, the product is expired or damaged, so we can go their grocery, then complain them and and call the customer service that your product is expired or damaged so that our product we can buy another product that's safety for us.
Okay, very good. Give 3 cups for this week. So we have the right to speak for service. Our service. Like say for example, this delivery say that you can complain if the product have a damage or expired, so you can complain into grocery store. And next we have rights to fix or replace. Okay, everybody please read.
It is our right to ask for a refund or replacement if the product is broken or bad.
Okay, who have an idea about this? Pini?
So, and we have right to ask the owner that if the product is damaged or broken, so we can ask the refund in order for us to have a justice of that product.
Okay, very good. Give 3 cups for Pini. So we have the right to fix or replace. Like, for example, Pini said that if the product have a damage or expired, you can have your replacement or refund. And now let's go to this right. Right to learn. Okay, we're gonna this read.
It is our right to learn about how to be a smart buyer.
Okay, anyone have an idea about this? Rational?
So, right to learn. So it is our right to learn how to become a smart buyer, especially when you are going to purchase product. Like, say for example, in store you are going to buy half dozen what we call this of candles, say for example. So that half dozens, so the store has their what we call the price too, so you can save from that because they have the price to from that product or discount. So it is very important to become a smart buyer in order for you to save money.
Okay, very good. Give 3 cups for Jamaica. So we have a right to, like say for example, if you are going to buy in market, so you have a right to know or how how much that product. Now let's go to the next right. Right to great environment. Okay, everybody please read.
As a consumer, you have the right to live and shop in a clean and healthy place.
Okay, you want this. Lady.
So for me, sir, we have a right to clean environment. For example, as a consumer, so we live in a clean and safety environment in order for us to have a good condition and also for our buyers.
Okay, very good. You take this down. Give 3 cups for Delaney. Now, class, do you understand our discussion this afternoon?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if you have already understand our discussion, I have a question. Now, class, why is it important to know the product if you are going to buy, or why it is important to be smart if you are going to buy? Anyone? Arsenal?
It is important to know your rights as a consumer and also when you are buying the product or purchasing it because let's say for example if you purchase a product that has an uncertainty or what we call this fire, some of that uncertainty. So it is bad for you if you are going to consume it if it has a damage. So that's why you need to know your rights so that you can complain about the products and also you are going to have a replacement for the product.
Okay, very good. Please give 3 cups for Jamaica. So now, class, I have a last question. Now, class, how will you okay. How will you apply this? How will you apply this right? How this all right for your for your for your lives? Anyone? Fimi?
I apply the all rights in myself. I apply it in order for me to have a safety or a healthy lifestyle.
Okay, very good. Fimi said that she want to apply this all right, so she can have a healthy lifestyle and good condition. Now, class, now, class, do you understand our discussion?
Yes, sir.
Now, let's have another activity. But before that, let us know first the direction. Okay, everybody, please read.
Create a scenario where you are able to demonstrate or act responsible behavior when purchasing products as a consumer. Criteria: correctness, 20 points; confidence, 10 points; collaboration, 5 points. The total of 35 points.
Okay, now I will give you 2 minutes to practice or to know your one. Okay, your time is start.
bring the important product is the more target and respond.
Okay, very good. Now, class. So earlier, the group was said, so I give for correctness 20 points, 20 points, and for confidence 10 points. So I give group 1 10 points because I see that group 1 have confidence. And for your collaboration, so I see that all of you are cooperate and collaborate, so I give 5 points. And also, I see that all of group is cooperate and participate to my discussion, so I will put your fruits in a first state. Now, class, do you understand our discussion after this afternoon?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any clarification or question?
None, sir.
Okay, now let's have another activity. But before that, let us know firstly direction. Okay, everybody please read.
Create a scenario.
Okay, everybody please read.
Write
Direction.
5 to 6 sentences answering the questions. How did you make sure that product was safe to buy? Did you consider the environment when choosing the product? Why is it important to be a responsible consumer?
You know, you can answer. Finish class? Are you finished?
Yes, sir.
Okay, pass your paper forward. And for your assignment, okay, everybody please read.
Write 5 to 6 sentences answering the question in an easy form. How did you make sure the product was safe to buy?
And purchasing it.
Okay, now you can you are going to pass this next meeting. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, sir. Thank you for teaching us mabuhay.
Ayaw sa lakaw kay picturean ka na po.
Ako, wala.